Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Windows PC to host Garageband. This is why a virtual Mac OS or Cloud Mac is required. First, create or reserve a VM with at least 4 CPU cores and 8 GB RAM so performance is stable. Next, attach your USB audio interface or enable host sound device pass-through to send audio into the VM. Once done, install the Mac OS environment image and update it. Make sure virtualization settings and shared folders are configured for seamless file transfer between Windows and the VM. Inside the Mac OS VM, open the App Store, sign in, and download GarageBand. You need an Apple ID for this. Once installed, open GarageBand and set the audio input and output to the pass-through device, choosing 44, 1 or 48 kHz to match your project needs. Then connect and map any MIDI controller in GarageBand's audio/MIDI settings and adjust the buffer size. Lower buffers reduce latency but can cause glitches, so increase buffer if you hear dropouts. Now you're ready to create a simple project and test recording. You can now record multi-track sessions, ARM tracks, use punch-in for focus takes, and comp takes into one performance to keep things clean. After mixing, export your song via File, Share, Export Song to Disk, choose WAV or MP3, and save to the VM's shared folder so Windows can access it. If you encounter stuttering or input dropouts, increase the audio buffer, update your audio interface drivers on Windows, or try another VM solution. These steps usually resolve performance and compatibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.